Hello and welcome to English with Jason. How many minutes are in an hour? But how much time does it take to boil an egg? Today we're going to take a look at much and many. Now first I'll explain the grammar to you and give you examples. And then I have a test for you, so make sure you hang around for that. Oh, and if you're new around here, please hit that juicy red subscribe button. Okay, today's lesson is all about much and many. Now, we use much with uncountable nouns. And I hear you say, Jason, what's an uncountable noun? Well, uncountable nouns are things we cannot count. For example, rice is an uncountable noun. We can't count rice. You can count grains of rice, but not rice. So we say how much rice, not how many rice. Another uncountable noun is water. We can't count water. We can count litres of water or glasses of water, but not water itself. So we say how much water, not how many water. Whereas many is used for countable nouns. For example, apple is a countable noun. So 1 apple, 2 apple, 3 apples. So we say how many apples, not how much apples. Dog is another countable noun. We can count dogs. So it's how many dogs, not how much dogs. It's that easy. Honestly. And now you know the secret. So all you need to know is whether it's a countable or an uncountable noun, and then you know if it's much or many. For example, how much time, but how many minutes? How much money, but how many dollars? How much juice, but how many bottles of juice? How much wood, but how many trees? So, a quick recap. Much is used for uncountable nouns. Much tea, much air, much space. And many is used with countable nouns. So, many cats, many tomatoes, many cars. And that's it. It's that easy. It's easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Okay. All right, let's see if you understood. It's time for the test. Okay, please fill in these gaps with either much or many. Number 1, John hasn't got money. Number 2, there aren't restaurants in this town. Number 3, how wine do we need to buy? And number 4, did you buy books? Okay, let's check those answers. Number 1, John hasn't got much money. Number 2, there aren't many restaurants in this town. Number 3, how much wine do we need to buy? And 4, did you buy many books? Right, let's try this. Okay, complete these sentences using much or many and one of these words. The words are time, people, food, and plums. Okay, number 1. I'm going to be late for work. I haven't got. Number 2. Have you got on your tree this year? Number 3. I need to go shopping. There isn't in the fridge. And number 4. There were so in town today, it was really busy. Okay, let's see how you did. Number 1. I'm going to be late for work. I haven't got much time. Number 2. Have you got many plums on your tree this year? Number 3. I need to go shopping. There isn't much food in the fridge. Number 4. There were so many people in the town today, it was really busy. So, how did you do? Let me know in the comments below. I would really like to hear from you. And if you enjoyed this lesson, please hit that like button. And remember, keep learning because life never stops teaching.